So today I'm going to be working on a painting from my reflection series titled Take Me With You. I started this piece back in 2024 and I've really been enjoying this era of revisiting older work and implementing my newer techniques. These two paintings actually went on to exhibit at my first museum, which was the Palm Springs Museum of Art. I talked about that in a previous video. And this piece, Take Me With You, exhibited at a group exhibition in LA that went really well. I'll be showing some of the process and the gallery experience that I had later in this video. I'm working on this piece now because it just sold to a collector, and I feel like there's a level of vibrancy and detail that I can add that can make it come to life even more. This weekend, I'll be heading to downtown to check out a gallery I've been wanting to check out. So before I can get into that, I gotta finish this piece so I can package it and ship it. I mean, it is still summer, so I still like to find that balance of enjoying my time outside of the studio as well. I love being surrounded by art, and I love going to check out new art and other artists in their mediums. Being around other artists and seeing them do what they do really helps bring me inspiration. I'm looking forward to this one though. I feel like there's a lot of good detail I'll be able to add. Let's get to it.